Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the 16th edition of the International Clinical Trials Day that is organized every year by ECRIN since 2005. So the first meeting was organized in the offices of the European Commission in 2005, and at that time ECRIN was just a small size project funded by the European Union. And then every year we decided to celebrate this International Clinical Trials Day and to address different topics relevant to clinical trials with not only the clinical trial community, but also the main stakeholders, the patient, the citizen, the policy makers. So this year we decided to have this meeting organized around the topic of platform trials. Why do we celebrate this on the 20th of May? Because it is the anniversary of the first clinical trial ever in the world that was decided by a Scottish naval surgeon, James Lynn, the guy just behind me on this side, and who had sailors with scurvy, and he had 12 sailors with scurvy on board, and he decided to split the group into 6 subgroups. 2 of them received seawater, 2 of them received vinegar or garlic and so on, and the 2 who received orange and lemon were cured. So it was the easiest way to demonstrate a striking effect of vitamin C, and also it is an interesting way to demonstrate the strength of the pragmatic approach, because at that time nobody knew what vitamin C is. Then we organized a series of meetings. The last one in 2020 was expected to take place in Berlin, but it was impossible due to the COVID crisis. And so the one in Berlin is postponed to next year, to 2022. And this year we wanted to organize the meeting, and the only way was to organize this meeting virtually. So just to set the scene for the audience and also for the speakers, just imagine that you are in a very prestigious venue with more than 700 people attending, because this is a big success for this event. We have a lot of people register and attending. And last year, for instance, no, not last year, in 2019, the previous one was organized in Palais du Luxembourg in Paris, and it was about personalized medicine. The year before, it was in the Senate in Prague, the Senate of the Czech Republic. The year before, it was in the Academy of Science in Budapest along the bank of the Danube River. So this year, unfortunately, we have to organize it as a virtual meeting. And just a last word on the decision to address the issue of platform trial and to show the diversity and the complexity, but also the user friendliness of platform trial. We decided to address the issue of platform trial for 2 reasons. The first one is that we are participant in an IMI funded project called EU-PEARL. EU-PEARL is about designing and planning 4 platform trials in 4 disease conditions: in depression, in NASH, in tuberculosis, and in neurofibromatosis. And the project is ongoing, and we learned a lot from this project and from the interaction with academic partners and with pharma companies. And at the same time, there was the onset of the COVID crisis was a tremendous opportunity for the research community to develop platform trial to address the question of what are the best treatment options to treat COVID, and also for the vaccines. And this started with repurposing trial. This is now going on with registration trial, and ECRIN is involved in some of this large platform trial, either for operational support or also with the role of coordination between the large platform trial. We are responsible for a common work package, including the trial coordination board and also including the joint access mechanisms to streamline and to coordinate the access to the large trial. So we have, of course, a very strong interest in this activity, and we think that we could be an instrument for cross-fertilization and to spread the practice of platform trial to other medical disciplines.